Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. In this video, we're going to show you how to find your routing number on Cash App in just a few simple steps. To explain this method with screenshots, we have brought you directly to this website called Cabbage Loan Guide. This website has an article that provides a step-by-step process on how to find your Cash App routing number. When we scroll down in this article, we find a lot of useful information related to Cash App routing number. If you want to read this article, you will find the link in the description. As we scroll further, you can see that the process of finding the routing number is explained with the screenshots. Let's go through this method step by step. First, open Cash App and look for the bank icon button at the bottom left corner. Click on it. As soon as you click on it, you will see an interface like this. At the top right corner, you will find an option for your account and routing number. Click on it. Once you click on it, a pop-up window will open, displaying both your routing number and account number clearly. For security reasons, we have hidden these details. If you want to copy your routing number, simply click on Copy Routing Number to copy it. By following these simple steps, you can easily find your Cash App routing number in no time. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.